Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Fatimata, and it's my second semester in Springboard to a DCS option prerequisites remedial courses. In fact, I want to go to Pure and Applied Science, but I do not have my prerequisites. All that because I want to be an architect. So today I'm going to show you how to use virtualwritingtutor.com. Just so you know, every time I have to write a text, I use it. It is really useful. Also, as you know, I want to be an architect and I'll have to write some contract and I'm not perfect. So I'll need this website to correct my errors. So let's begin. First of all, you're going to add a tab and on the address bar at the top of the screen in the middle, write virtual writing tutor.com. Enter. Oh, what is going on? Okay, here it is. Sorry. So here it is. As you can see, this is the logo of the website with a cute little robots. And in the top right corner, there are some social media icons if you want to share the website. Just under the logo are the navigation menu. And under the navigation menu is the instruction. And under it, here is the most important thing, the text area. Here, where you can write everything you want. When you finish, you can check your errors, check your spelling, count words, and many other things can clear, write a feedback, and print. So here and yeah. Also on the right side, on the right hand side of the screens are a microphone here and a spell checker. So I'm going to give y'all an example. So if I'm writing, hi, I love mango. So if you did an error here, we'll have a red thing over here, and you can like count words like I said, for check your spelling, grammar. So I have two errors. Hi, I should have put a comma, and the I is capital. So yeah, and microphone, if you want, like if you write a difficult word and you don't know how to spell it, you can, yeah. And so here it here is how the website works. I hope that you enjoy it. Bye guys.